Welcome guys back to another video, and today I'll be showing you the best OBS settings in 2020. Before we hop right in, remember to like, subscribe and comment down below if this video was useful. Alright, let's jump right in. So guys, before we start, I just want to apologize that I couldn't upload for a while. I just kept on streaming for no reason on earth. And today I just want a quick video. So yeah, so guys, this video is only going to include settings, as in this settings, not these. If this video gets over, I don't know, this thing is real 50 likes, I'll make the whole of OBS best setting videos. Alright, 20 likes guys, now 50 likes, and I'll do that for you guys. Alright, so for general, so this actually just doesn't really matter. Just make sure this is on your normal language, whatever you speak or stream on. This is all preference guys, so I can't really tell you. Stream, enable multi-stream so you can stream on Facebook as well and other stuff. So yeah, output. So guys, so I'm already recording as you see. So this is all gray. But if you're streaming guys, it all depends on the GPU. So 2500 bitrate is default, but should be okay. Bitrate 160 audio, perfect. There's encoder guys. Basically it's showing telling us what to record with. So software means CPU, and then hardware means GPU or graphics card. Alright guys, so I have a GT GeForce 640 graphics card, so I have a really weak graphics card. So when I game and stream at the same time, I am unable to do that. So I record through my CPU. So guys, this depends on how powerful your graphics card is. Same with recording guys. For recording guys, recording quality, so if you bigger the size, better quality guys, but like too big, this might be too much guys. MP4 again, what do you want to record with, software or hardware? Software guys, another guy, and software, CPU, hardware, GPU or graphics card. Just remember that, and that's simple to be fine. Audio guys, this should be on stereo, but depends what type of audio setup you have around you. And then 44.1 kHz should be okay. And then this is also your speakers and headset is connected in. Of course, I'm using my headset, so I click on my headset. Video guys. So guys, base canvas resolution is the resolution your monitor is at. So my monitor is 1920 times 1200. That's my full monitor, full screen. Okay, output resolution scale guys is a quality you're streaming, so 720p, 1080p, 480p. So right now I think I'm streaming I think this is 480p guys, but I'm not sure. I didn't check before starting. This shouldn't be too much of a problem. This doesn't really matter. This should be common FPS guys. This just leave as default as it comes. And FPS, of course, what how many FPS you want to record in. Right now for this video, I'm recording in 24 FPS. This native. Of course, sadly my PC isn't powerful enough. Guys, this is hotkeys. I don't really use hotkeys. Of what's preference. I don't really use hotkeys because it gets all messy. I mean, in a way. Advanced guys. So yeah, it's all up to you. Low latency mode, enable new network code. Again, preference, how fast your internet speed is. Show chat. I think show chat is, I think the same thing as one of those settings over there. And then this is all preference guys, all of this. Alright, so that's a quick video. It's only 4 minutes 30 seconds long. And guys, remember it's different formats, so I can use dark, like empty screen. Back here, this is my stream thing, and this is my recording one. Alright, so guys, remember to like, subscribe and comment down below if this video was useful to you. Alright guys, have a good day.